Welcome to Biotechnology World. Now our topic Introduction to Mendelian Genetics. Gregor Mendel 1. Known as the father of genetics. 2. Conducted experiments on pea plants in the mid 19th century. 3. Discovered the fundamental laws of inheritance. Mendel's experiments 1. Focused on 7 traits of pea plants. Example, seed shape, flower color. 2. Used true breeding plants to start his experiments. 3. Performed cross-pollination to observe how traits were passed to offspring. Key terminology 1. Gene, basic unit of heredity. 2. Allele, different forms of a gene. Example, dominant and recessive. 3. Genotype, genetic makeup of an organism. Example, capital A, capital A small a, and small a small a. 4. Phenotype, observable characteristics. Example, round seeds, purple flowers. Mendel's laws. 1. Law of segregation. Each organism carries two alleles for each trait, which segregate during gamete formation, ensuring each gamete carries only one allele for each trait. 2. Law of independent assortment. Alleles of different genes assort independently of one another during gamete formation, leading to genetic variation. Dominance 1. Dominant allele expressed in the phenotype even if only one copy is present, represented by a capital letter, example A. 2. Recessive allele expressed in the phenotype only when two copies are present, represented by lowercase letter, example A. Monohybrid cross 1. A cross between two organisms involving one trait. 2. Results in a 3:1 phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation, 3 dominant and 1 recessive. Dihybrid cross, a cross between two organisms involving two traits. Results in a 9:3:3:1 phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation. Punnett square 1. A tool used to predict the genotype and phenotype ratios of offspring. 2. It helps visualize how alleles segregate and combine. Test cross, a way to determine the genotype of an individual with a dominant phenotype by crossing it with a homozygous recessive individual. Mendelian ratios, classic phenotypic ratios observed in offsprings. Example, 3:1 for monohybrid crosses, 9:3:3:1 for dihybrid crosses. Exceptions to Mendelian genetics. 1. Incomplete dominance. The heterozygous phenotype is a blend of both alleles. Example, red and white flowers produce pink flowers. 2. Codominance. Both alleles are fully expressed in the heterozygous conditions. Example, AB blood type. 3. Multiple alleles. More than two alleles exist for a gene. Example, ABO blood group system. 4. Polygenic inheritance. Multiple genes influence a single trait. Example, skin color, height. Applications of Mendelian genetics. 1. Understanding genetic disorders. 2. Breeding programs in agriculture. Thank you.